What's going on, Verbal Judo Nation? All right, today, Tornado Valley Calls. This is my Corian Custom Mint Ice. Got a patina band on it, sleeved in acrylic. Give y'all a little sound file, a little rundown. It goes with something like this. If you guys are thinking about a custom call, check out Brandon with Tornado Valley Calls, and remember, migration denied.